Marigolds are more than just bright blooms. They're your garden's secret weapon against pests. Today, we'll explore how to use these cheerful flowers as a natural pest deterrent, step by step. Marigolds release compounds from their roots and leaves that repel harmful pests while attracting beneficial insects. By planting them strategically, you can boost your garden's health, reduce pests, and add color to your beds, all without chemicals. The scent of marigolds acts as a natural pest shield. Their sharp, citrusy oils repel aphids, nematodes, and other invaders. Use a mix of French and African marigolds. French marigolds stay close to the soil for strong scent near roots, while African marigolds rise tall to protect the area around them. How to use them: plant marigolds in small clusters to boost their scent. Mix French and African varieties for broader coverage. Deadhead regularly to keep blooms fresh and scent strong. Space plants about a foot from crop rows. Water in the morning and ensure beds are sunny and well drained. Companion planting with marigolds helps shield vegetables naturally. Their scent repels pests, while bright blooms attract helpful insects like ladybugs and lacewings. Here's how. Mix a few marigolds through your veggie beds, spacing plants 2 to 3 feet apart. Plant near vulnerable crops like tomatoes to deter nematodes. Popular pairings include marigolds and cucumbers to repel cucumber beetles, marigolds and carrots to distract aphids, marigolds and peppers to reduce pests. Water at the base, mulch, and deadhead to keep blooms going. You can create a natural pest spray with marigolds. Here's how. Marigold tea spray. Steep a handful of fresh marigold flowers in boiling water for 60 minutes. Cool and strain petals. Pour liquid into a spray bottle and apply to tops and undersides of leaves. Crushed petal spray. Mash a handful of petals with a little water to form a milky mix. Pour into a spray bottle and apply. Tips: apply in the morning or at dusk. Test on a small leaf first, and compost spent petals for soil health. Marigolds also improve soil. Their roots loosen soil, encourage beneficial organisms, and return nutrients as they break down. Use them in beds like this. Rotate each season for balanced soil life. Chop and spread clippings as mulch. Interplant with herbs for richer soil. Create borders around beds to guide pests away. Plant clusters of marigolds to attract pollinators and predator insects that eat pests. Use different colors and shapes, avoid pesticides, and provide a small water source nearby. Timing matters. Plant after the last spring frost, and sow or transplant every 2 to 3 weeks for consistent blooms and pest protection. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before frost and harden off before moving outdoors. No yard? No problem. Use 6 to 8 inch pots with drainage, fill with organic rich potting mix, and place in full sun. Plant one start per pot, water gently, and group pots near veggie beds to create a natural shield. To protect marigolds over winter, trim to about 4 inches above soil. Remove dead blooms and leaves. For pots, bring indoors. For ground plants, add a layer of straw or leaves. Check for pests before moving indoors. Ensure soil drains well. Replant in spring after frost passes. Choose varieties based on your garden needs. French marigolds, compact, strong scent, ideal for borders. African marigolds, tall, striking, focal points near taller crops. Signet marigolds, delicate blooms, perfect for herbs or edging. Plant French along edges, African in back, signet around herbs. Water at soil level, trim spent blooms, and enjoy layered protection. Marigolds are more than beautiful. They're natural pest deterrents, soil boosters, and insect attractors. By planting them thoughtfully, you can transform your garden into a vibrant, pest-free paradise. Start today, watch your veggies thrive, and share your marigold journey with friends.